Good morning, students. Today's topic is introduction of decimals. What is a decimal? A decimal is defined as a number expressed in decimal notation and generally applied to values that have a fractional part and separated from the integer side by a decimal separator. Now let's see an example. Here is the number 34 and 7 tenths written as a decimal number. 34.7 can be written as how many tenths are there? We have 3 tenths, 4 ones and 7 tenths. This is about the introduction of decimals. Next, place value in the decimals. The place value system is used to define the position of a digit in a number which helps to determine its values. When we write specific numbers, the position of each digit is important. Place value chart, we have the decimal point in the middle. Next, we have ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, and 10,000s, 100,000s, millions. After the decimal, we have tens, hundreds, 10,000s, 100,000s, and millions. The digits to the left of the decimal point are multiplied with the positive powers of 10 in increasing order from right to left. Let's see an example. 1234.56789. If you observe here, 1 is in the thousands place, 2 in the hundreds place, 3 in the tens place, 4 in the ones place. And after the decimal point, we have 5 in the tens place, 6 in the hundreds place, 7 in the thousands place, 8 in the 10,000 place, 9 in the 100,000 place. I move to the another example, 123.25. If you observe here also, children, we have in ones place we have 3, in the tens place we have 2, and 1 in the hundreds place. Similarly, after the decimal, we have 2 in the tens place and 5 in the hundreds place. So this is about the place values of the decimals. Now I move to the comparison of decimal fractions. We will discuss here about the comparison of decimal fractions. While comparing the natural numbers, we first compare the number of digits in both the numbers, and if they are equal, then we compare the digit at the extreme left. If they are also equal, then we compare the next digit and so on. We follow the same pattern while comparing the decimals. Examples on comparing decimals. The first question is compare 0.6 and 0.8. 0.6 can be written as 6 tenths. Similarly, 0.8 can be written as 8 tenths. Since 8 tenths is greater than 6 tenths, we can conclude here that 0.8 is greater than 0.6. Next, I move to the second example. Compare 0.317 and 0.341. 0.317 in the expanded form, we can write it as 0.3 plus 0.01 plus 0.007. How we can write in words? We can write it as 3 tenths plus 1 hundredths plus 7 thousandths. Similarly, 0.341 can be written as 0.3 plus 0.04 plus 0.001. How we can write in words? 3 tenths plus 4 hundredths plus 1 thousandths. Because 3 tenths is equal to 3 tenths, next we compare the digits. What we have is hundredths. 1 hundredths is less than 4 hundredths. Thus 0.317 is less than 0.341. So in today's class, we have discussed about the introduction of decimals, the place values of the decimals, and then expanded form. Finally, we have discussed the comparison of decimals. I hope this session is clear to you all. Thank you. Have a nice day.